We're about to pick up where you announce it.
Listen, I made a decision last night.
Yes.
And it's happening today.
You might get cancelled for that accent.
It's alright.
Yeah,
but listen, I really wanted a car. And guess what? We're gonna get one. I'm a bit hungover. I woke up kind of late, peeled myself out of bed, but we're on the way.
We're on the way, baby.
Turn the music off, oh my god.
Sorry.
Are you
demonetized?
Are you crazy?
Instantly.
I didn't have any monetize, but now I have zero monetize.
Simple as that.
True car guy, doesn't know what he's doing.
Yo.
Like people say that as a bit of a cop out, but I really don't know what I'm doing.
No, he really doesn't. He really doesn't.
Yeah.
Deuces. With
the bass.
With the bass. Get it. Oh shit. Oh, that works.
Wow. Fuck yeah, dude. It's not bad though, is it? Alright, we get this back home. We'll all go for a
get this baby
drives.
back home and then eat it. Straight onto the rigs, train a few tires, there's no tires, yes, wrench hammer.
What? To be honest, it's actually sleek. I think it's a good purchase.
You know, it's like heavy rain, yeah? Mine has no chill, dude.
Man, you can't ever put that down. The drink of golf drivers.
Much later.
Whew. Oh God. It's been 8 months since we bought and forgot about this car. The first ride was great. I was like, zip, zip. But then I got home, look outside, and then big oily mess on the floor. Which I'm suspecting is from the turbo. I think the turbo is leaking oil, going straight to the exhaust and then all over the floor. Another thing that's going wrong is the thermostat isn't working. So the car doesn't get up to temperature. It goes up and down and up and down and up and down, which isn't good. So those are two things we definitely need to fix. I looked into doing like bigger turbos and all this kind of stuff, but then I realized I don't know how the fuck they even do any of that stuff. So we're gonna take this turbo out and then get it reconditioned over at this place, and hopefully that should sort out our problems. We have big plans for this. Once this is sorted out, we're gonna go and get we're not really gonna do much. We're just gonna fix it and then remap it so it has like 220 horsepower. Woo! Woo! The turbo is back here. Guessing all this has to go. I don't have to take the airbox out. Let's start with the airbox. How about that? That is a clean ass air filter. That's going straight back in. Oops. We can start cutting some clamps off now. Woo! Never mind. These seem to not cut anything. A piece of it just broke off. Sweet. Awesome. Round 2. Got different pliers. Hopefully these fucking work. Oh god. Oh yes. Oh! The name of the game is mechanics, mate. Whoosh! Oh god. Ah! Oh my back. Fuck! This clamp was made by the world's best metal worker in the world's best Chinese factory. Oh. 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 Yeah, boy. Whoever made those clamps need to die. Whoever invented them is probably dead already, so rest in peace. Yeah! Look what we just did. The charge pipe is officially off. Look at that. That is grimy, mate. There still seems to be an overwhelming amount of stuff in the way. Like, god damn. I don't know what's next. Let me think about it. Alright, so we are gonna drain the coolant and oil out of this. Where's the turbo? Holy shit. See that kind of honeycomb thing there? That's, I think that's the downpipe and that's the turbo in there. I see it. How in the fuck are we gonna get that out? Let's drain the oil anyway. Woo! I don't know if you can tell, but how many jack stands I have under there. How scared I am every time I jack up a car. With my MX5, when I first bought it, I had no idea what rust is or what rust could do to a car. So I jacked it up on its sills, got under there doing an oil change and stuff. All I hear is and then the car drops like this towards my face, and I was like, right, it's a bit of a dangerous game we're playing here. That's why I have. Jesus Christ, I should not be doing this. Oh, fuck's sake. Okay, well that's down there. I'm gonna go with 17. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yow. Not a 17. Woo. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Yep. Yeah. It's all over the gaff. But it's okay. Oh, look at that milky residue. That's when you know your car's in good nick. Glug. That was one of the rods. One of the pistons on the rods, fuckers. Let me get out of here. While you drain. Woo! I think I put the bolt in the bucket. Yep, it's in the bucket.
Watch me go or drop my GoPro in the bucket now. Bucket's ready. Look at it from all angles because sometimes angles lie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's gonna be fun to lay in. It's a little heat shield on top of the drive shaft. You just crack on with that, mate. Sick. Heat shield bolts out. Heat shield out. My eyes. How do you get anything in there to take that off? Look at that. This bloody thing works. There we go. Sometimes you just gotta get a little bit creative. Sometimes you gotta get a little creative. Sometimes you should have made friends instead of getting into cars. Yeah. Any oil about to run out of you, son? Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, there's loads. Oh, it's in my mouth again. Okay, well, we got those bolts out. I think we're about to face our biggest challenge yet. I've soaked these bolts in WD-40 for now while I get a bit of a game plan, but 4 bolts. That's from the turbo exhaust yoke, I think, to the downpipe. But because I have because I have rounded nut trauma from my MX-5, I might let that soak for another hour or two. Let the WD-40 really work in there. Or else, if we round a nut there, I'm just gonna sell the car. Let's see if we got what it takes, man. Oh, broke it loose. That's all we need to do. Please don't break. We only need 1 millimeter at a time. 1 degree at a time. Fourth downpipe bolt. I can touch it with my finger. How can I get anything else in there though? We'll take this pipe out of the way so we can get to the bolt from up here, rather than being stupid and trying to get it from the bottom. Oh my god. The chair I'm standing on is slipping away. Holy fuck. Whoop. Don't play with me now, son. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh! Oh shit. There was a what's it called? A Jubilee clip thingy on this. That seems to be gone forever. We'll find it though when we turn the engine on. And you hear made the decision to take the wipers off and take this plastic trim off. Oh, yeah, buddy. In hindsight, it seems really dumb spending all this time doing that when I could slowly work away at that bolt. That is so tight. Yeah, boy. It moved. That's all that matters. That one bolt, I've been going for hours. Ah! This is where it is. this is how I have to get it in. It's one click at a time. Barely. You see that there? That's how much space I have. And all of this is sharp. Oh my God, yes. Hallelujah. Oh. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Ah, that took so long. Now I can't really tell what's next. These two bolts definitely. 1, 2. If it's just those two, then it will be amazing, but I'm guessing there'll be a bit more. Catch you in a few. Oh.
Yeah, it's fucking gone.